T. Start. Through the judgment of the case Somshekhar Kashinath Babladi versus Union of India and another delivered on October 17, 2025, Justice M.S. Karnik and Justice N.R. Borkar at the Bombay High Court have allowed the writ petition and accepted the additional affidavit undertaking submitted on record by the petitioner on August 14, 2025, and accordingly quashed and set aside the impugned order passed by the Maharashtra Administrative Tribunal on July 31, 2024 para. The tribunal has allowed the original application in terms of this order with direction to the respondents, Union Finance Secretary and Central Board of Excise and Customs, New Delhi, and Commissioner of Central Excise, Thane 2nd, Mumbai, to disturb the 50% of the amount of arrears of pension payable to the petitioner Somshekhar K. Babladi till August 14, 2025, since August 2013, along with the amount of gratuity due and payable to him within a period of 3 weeks. The respondents have been further directed to pay monthly pension regularly to the petitioner from the month of August 2025 para. The petitioner, who is a retired superintendent of Central Excise Thane, 2nd Commissionerate, he belongs to the caste Hindu Gola, and according to the petitioner, the same is recognized as a nomadic tribe in the state of Karnataka. In 1973 to 74, the petitioner enrolled his name in the Regional Employment Exchange at Dharwad. Thereafter, by the order of June 10, 1976, the petitioner was selected as Inspector of Central Excise para. Upon joining the said post, the petitioner was asked to submit an attestation form wherein he has stated that he does not belong to a scheduled tribe ST, instead of belongs to a nomadic tribe. In 1979, a list of seniority of inspectors was published wherein the caste of the petitioner was indicated as ST, and subsequently on June 26, 1991, the petitioner was promoted to the post of Superintendent, Central Excise Department, on the basis of considering his caste as ST para. In June 2004, the petitioner opted for voluntary retirement on the ground of his wife's ill health. Thereafter, on June 13, 2004, the respondents informed the petitioner that the Joint Commissioner P&V, Central Excise, Mumbai 1, had observed that the caste of the petitioner is shown as Hindu Gola in his service book, whereas there is no mention of his caste status as ST. Accordingly, clarification was sought from the petitioner along with his caste certificate. Soon thereafter, the petitioner application for voluntary retirement was accepted and he was released by the order of September 30, 2004. However, in the said release order, it was mentioned that the petitioner may produce his caste certificate for taking necessary actions for his pensionary benefits and other emoluments due after voluntary retirement para. Consequently, the pension, gratuity, and leave encashment of the petitioner was withheld despite the absence of any criminal or disciplinary proceedings pending against him. Subsequently, provisional pension was sanctioned and arrears were paid on October 1st, 2006 para. Thereafter, on September 2nd, 2008, Respondent 1 issued a memorandum of charge sheet to the petitioner, thereby alleging that the petitioner fraudulently claimed and availed the benefits of reservation available to candidates belonging to the scheduled tribe in the year 1976 for his appointment and in 1991 for his promotion para. Accordingly, an inquiry was conducted and through the inquiry report of April 12, 2012, it was observed that the inquiry proceedings against the petitioner were initiated more than 4 years after the event that led to the inquiry. Therefore, it is in contravention to the period specified in Rule 9 of CCS Pension Rules 1972. However, considering the merits of the case, the inquiry officer held in the report that the charge against the petitioner was proved